Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to play a game on Roblox. Why would you want to know how to play a game on Roblox? Well, maybe it is your first time using Roblox and not sure how to play a game on Roblox. So today I am going to show you how to play a game on Roblox. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Playing a game on Roblox is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Roblox. Now you are seeing different options and games. If you are willing to play a game, click on search icon at the top center. Search for a game you want to play. Now click on experiences. From here you are seeing different games. Click on any game you want to play. Now you are seeing play icon. Click on it. Now you can enjoy your game. There you go. If you wanted to know how to play a game on Roblox, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.